Paano ba yan? Napak na ako eh.
Basta tayo.
Wala na, hindi na yan. Wala nang pag-asa yan.
Everyone, right now, swerte kayo, no? With me, napakagaling na pinustaka ko, ha? Yo, watch it there, follow nyo, may entertain kayo at may inspire.
Ano, harap ka rito. Try mo nga malanse. Kaya mo ba sa main road yan?
Matay ako nito sa main road.
Guys, here at Aero's house. So, we are now currently at 8,898 subscribers. We're basing through the social blade. That's why we can't get the most accurate number. Right, Aaron?
Yeah. But you know, we'll just have to wait and see the results.
Oh yeah, that's correct.
Meanwhile,
One lang, pros!
Pero kita nyo naman sa channel, oh. 8.99.
Kaya lang, celebrate tayo 16 ngayon, 90 naman.
Noon lang nag-celebrate tayo ng 2K.
Oh, 2K.
Isang taon na lang yan. Ilang ko na 10 primero na yan. 10.
Eh no guys, and guys, tingnan nyo naman, 9,999 tayo guys. Refresh lang tayo guys, refresh lang, wala pa rin.
9. Di ako nabala. 8, 7, 6,
Baliw, wala pa yan.
4.
Wala pa yan, baliw ka!
Pwede pala natin i-replay, no?
Oo nga eh. No, sabihin ko, hey! Wala na script.
Okay na yan. Okay na yan.
Countdown ako eh.
Nung pagka-1 ko, ayun. Pagka-1 ko, 9K na. The next natin journey. Road to 10K.
10,000 subscribers. So, 1,000 na lang. Ano na tayo sa 10,000, 5-digit mark, no? Tsaka kakaiba yun. Kung nakit ko yung 10,000, nasa 110 tayo para sa silver play button at sana mas lumaki pa ang B3 community. Right, everyone?
Yes, siyempre, update na lang tayo guys. And yun, sana hindi lang to nagtatapos. Sana madami pa mag-subscribe hanggang mag-11K yan, 12K and so more and so on. Let's reach 100K!
Yay! Sabay. Tingnan.
Parang hindi na ganun yung thrill, no?
Oo nga eh. Pero yung una natin reaction, grabe, ang lakas eh.
Hi guys, thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to Bernardo III, one of the fastest hands in the world of stacking. Get to see his videos and more of his updates. God bless.
Yun natin guys.
Yun na guys.
Kung nagain kayo ito, sabihin ko, hey!